Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith Corona Corsair Deluxe on the workbench. Came in for just a ribbon install, and turns out it didn't work. So yeah, I went to put the ribbon on it and move the carriage around. It was fine, but right away I noticed it wasn't spacing. Also, is not returning no matter where it's at. See, it doesn't have any return action. Carriage is jammed wherever I leave it, so pretty quick I was able to see the problem. The problem is the space bar is bent. The whole machine got damaged, some kind of trauma, I don't know. Who knows what happens to these typewriters, but so it won't move. In fact, these bars are sticking too pretty bad. Look at that. Just come back down. But if I lift this space bar up, it works. And it spaces. But as soon as I let it go, nothing. So this bar is all tweaked out of place, and it's not resetting. It's not coming up high enough to reset. So let's take a quick look at this and see if I can fix this while it's in the case, maybe even. Of course, I think it's going to have to come out of the case to fix these sticky type bars. But let's see if I can tweak this thing while it's in the body. And I think I see a spot down here. It's black, you can't see in there very well without being here in person, but I think this can get tweaked like that. Let's try this side. Same thing on this side, right about there. See if my tool will fit it. Nope. Oh, maybe right there. Nope. Let's try this side. Oh, look at that. Got a pretty good twist on that. There it goes. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to twist it right here. It's too far. I think I went too far. It's binding somewhere. Now it's binding some other way. Probably really need to take this out of the case, probably. Find out where this is. Looks like it's sticking on this side right here. But I don't see exactly where or how it's binding here. That was it right there. Just a little bind in the lever. Okay, so it's kind of hard to show on camera exactly what I did because it's so dark in here. You see these levers where the arms attach? You can kind of see that piece, that black piece right there. Just kind of manipulated that. And this side too. It's got some pieces down there you can form if you have a nice bender like this. This tool is invaluable to doing exactly what I just did. It works on a lot of typewriters for a lot of situations. That's it. So next video, I'm going to take this thing apart and fix these keys that are type bars that are all sticking. And there's just one is grungy in here though. I'm going to have to chemical flush it out. Alright, Spacebar repaired on Smith Corona Corsair. Air control repaired.